Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Cody Carpenter here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stay compliant when running affiliate or CPA marketing campaigns using Bing ads or Microsoft advertising. So the first thing that I want to point out is you should have a bookmark of the policies change log website. So basically what this is, they have a nice policy change log article showing when new changes are coming to Microsoft advertising. So for example, learn what changes have occurred in the Microsoft advertising policies over time. So April 2020, gambling and contents in Switzerland, the policies changed. April 2020, misleading content policies. This is global, so this affected everyone. Our policy for government products and services have been updated. And then they have a link, please reference misleading content policies for details. And this is pretty much the one that I'm going to focus on because I've been getting some messages with people following my free YouTube content and saying like, oh, I tried to run a campaign for this, but my ad got disapproved. And my first response to when people say that is that, did you read up on the Microsoft advertising policies? And 99% of the time, no one reads the policies and they kind of get frustrated when their ad gets disapproved. It's like, well, you got to know what you can and can't say. So that's what I'm going to cover in this video. I've actually been getting a lot of requests to go over the new policy changes. So I will be going over that. And this link right here will take you to the misleading content policies article. And basically unsubstantiated claims is the big majority of why people are getting ads disapproved. So I'm going to be going over that in some detail, and let's just get started right into this. So the first policy is ads may not falsely claim to provide financial supports. So basically they have an approved ad on this column, and then they have a disapproved. So the approved would be help with financial planning ? And a disapproved headline would be get $5,000 to help with rent. Struggling with funds? Get free funds for housing today. So you can't falsely claim to provide financial support. That's kind of a no-brainer. That's like so misleading. So that's the first one. An approved description would be struggling with paying rent. Let us help you with finding the right planning. So that would be an approved ad, and this would be disapproved. Okay, moving on. Ads may not make unsubstantiated claims. And this is probably the biggest one of why people are getting their ads disapproved, because a lot of people that have been messaging me to make a video on policies, they're promoting make money online offers. And those offers, like, they can make you a lot of money when you promote them the right way on Bing ads. But with this update, you can't be as aggressive as you used to be. So what you can't say is make $200 an hour at home. Take this 5-minute survey and make very easy $200 per hour sitting at home. When I would promote some legitimate make money online offers, I would get aggressive. And I would say earn $100 a day, make $1,000 every 2 weeks, stuff like that. Like, I would make those claims because that would just really increase my click-through rate. But now they're kind of cracking down on that. They're cracking down on a lot of things now, so you can't make unsubstantiated claims. So instead of like this more aggressive headline, you could do free local job search, join and connect directly with hiring managers, sign up now. So that is clean, and then this one is aggressive, too aggressive. So number 3, ads may not make unproven factual claims. So an example of an ad that would get disapproved is Smarter Brain Supplement. And there are a lot of brain supplements out there to promote that pay out really good. So if you guys are promoting that, you might want to listen up for this. So you can't say Smarter Brain Supplement makes you smarter, ace your test scores, boost your memory. Because that right there is making an unproven factual claim, and you just can't do that anymore. So instead of doing that, you could do need help with grades? Sign up now for study guidelines and strategies. And then the last one is ads may not make claims that cannot be supported by evidence. So that is the fourth one. So an example, #1 car in the market. You can't say that because it can't be supported. So you can't say #1 car in the market. The best car is here, #1 in all features. So that's a pretty obvious one. Like an example of a clean ad would be all new models, learn about the top rated cars, compare quotes and features. So that's pretty, all this is pretty self-explanatory. I'd have to say the biggest one would be the unsubstantiated claims is why a lot of people are getting their ads disapproved, especially promoting make money online offers. So I hope this helped. This is the link right here, the link to the policy page. I will have a link in the description below. So the policy page actually has more information on it too. They also go into like free offers and price promises, misleading ads, promotion of third-party products and services, and they have some more examples down here. So I would highly recommend that you just take like 10 to 15 minutes out of your day, click the link below, and just go read the Microsoft advertising policies, just so you know in the future when you're creating campaigns not to make claims that can't be supported by evidence, no claims that provide financial support, or unsubstantiated claims, unproven factual claims, and claims that cannot be supported by evidence. So you still can run Bing ads very profitably. They're starting to crack down on aggressive ads. So it's just something that you got to deal with. As affiliate marketers, you got to realize that traffic sources are always going to be having updates, and you just have to stay up to date with the updates so that your ad or your campaigns are compliant and you don't get any campaign shut down. So that is it for this video. I hope you got some value out of it. I know people have been asking me for a long time, probably since April, because this is when the update came out, to make a video going over this in detail. But I've just been so busy lately, so I figured I'd get it done with today. So I hope this helped. And lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I provide a bunch of videos like this. Smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And that is it for this one. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you got some value, drop a like on this video, help the algorithm. So that is it for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.